Welcome to Richard's Reviews. We're doing a continuation on the Retro Nintendo from Hyperkin. And last video I showed was a Nintendo, the game cartridge and what came with it. It only came with one controller. So I had to buy the second one. I actually bought 4 total, just in case 2 of them tend to break. So, not tend to break, just in case. And they were so cheap, I mean, I think I paid $6 a pop. So, not too bad for a controller, wired controller, simple. As mentioned, the original, this one is slightly different, it's contoured a little bit. So, you remember the original was just a square. They put in weird angles and whatnots on these controllers now. I mean, they put their little touch on the Nintendo here. So, I've already pre-cut I popped open the there's like plastic tape, whatever. Cut that off already. So let's take a look at what we get here. I bought the black one because they offer a black one. They had the gray one, but the gray ones cost more, which is funny. The gray ones cost, I think, $9, $10. So I went the black, they were cheaper. Okay, pretty interesting packaging. Give me a second here. Bring it out. There we go. So it looks exactly like the other controller, just painted black. The cover's painted black. I'm gonna pull it out. As usual, it's tied. Pretty long cord. And I guess I'll do a demonstration of plugging it in, I guess. There we go. So here's the Nintendo. Can't really see the color, but now I have a second one so I can play with 2 people. As mentioned, the cheap fakey version that I bought was uses USB. How come this is not plugging in? It's being really mean. It's pretty tight there. Actually, it's very tight. Doesn't go in very well. What do you know? I don't know what's going on here. Something wrong with the tab or something? Let's find out. Yeah, it's pretty tight. Let's get the stock one and plug that one in too. I don't remember being this tight, but sorry for the video movement. Oh, wow, they are different. It's ever so slightly. So looking at these pins, they look clean. They're not perfect because they do run into a problem plugging into the spot. There we go. Now it went in. Okay. So now I can play 2 players. This will be fun. Thanks for watching.